there's two ways to solve this problem. We could take log base 2 of both sides. The log and the base would undo each other, and we'd have 2x plus 3 equals log base 2 of 4. Well, since 2 to the second power equals 4, then log base 2 of 4 is 2. And so now we're just solving 2x plus 3 equals 2. Subtract 3 from both sides. 2x equals negative 1, dividing by 2, x equals negative 1/2. That's one way. Or we could see that 2 to the second power is equal to 4, and so we could rewrite this as 2 to the 2x plus 3 equals 2 to the second power. If our bases are the same, that means our exponents must be equal. And so that's a fast way to see that 2x plus 3 equals 2. I'd subtract 3 from both sides, do the problem the same as the other one, and get the same answer.